Hey friends, if you encounter the error, your connection is not private in Chrome, Edge, and Firefox, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So the browser doesn't matter. Let's say you encountered it on Edge. I would say just close it and reopen it and then try again. And as for the system level troubleshooting, I would also suggest you to check the date and time and sync it if possible. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now, go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select date and time. Make sure that these three switches are on and then click on sync now. Next one is to clear the cache, and how would we do that? So to clear cache, and here's what we will have to do. Open the browser, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history, click on the bin symbol and then click on clear now and then disable extensions. Okay, let's say that it is edge for the sake of this example. Click on these three dots here, go to extensions, go to manage extensions. If you find any extension here, then disable them. And finally you can reset the browser. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings, go to the reset settings tab, click on restore settings to the default value, and finally click on reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.